They told you be quiet. They told you sit down. They told you wait your turn. But the quiet ones have been building. The bold ones have been calling the vision out. This is what they did not tell you. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 4 in the morning, lights low in the cave, building what they are while they sleep through the wave. Quiet in the shadows, but the vision burned bright. Darryl in the lab, turning code into light. Adriane Mayes on the rooftop, voice ringing loud, saying my brother Darryl Gaines built something, come see it now. 8 names on the list, that is movement, not noise. Baby, go chapter, now it's time to own your voice.
They told you stay small, they told you stay safe. They told you the stage was not made for your face. But the 1% know
We were built for the climb.
legacy in motion. It is only a matter of time. These are the things they did not tell you.
Own it, design it.
The future belongs to you.
Whoa. Family, faith, fierce, finance, fitness, rise.
Focus on the solution. Open up the skies. These are the things they did not tell you.
God's design is the blueprint.
Now we building it true.
Introverts, builders, quiet ones with the fire.
Baby, go chapter.
We taking it higher. June 6, June 7, mark it down in stone. Pitch competition coming, but we are not coming alone. Let's build what they are, this community was raised. Every builder ready, every gift gets praised. Strategy locked in, the vision is clear. Megaphone loud saying your moment is here. Sunday night practice, that is the bell, that is the ring. 8 builders, one stage, let the quiet ones sing.
They told you stay small, they told you stay safe. They told you your story should not take up space. But the 1% know
We were built for the light.
legacy in motion.
We were made for this fight.
These are the things they did not tell you.
Own it, design it.
The future belongs to you.
Whoa. Family, faith, fierce, finance, fitness, rise.
Focus on the solution. Open up the skies. These are the things they did not tell you.
God's design is the blueprint.
Now we building it true.
Introverts, builders, quiet ones with the fire.
Baby, go chapter.
We taking it higher. For the one who never raised their hand, for the one who built quiet with the $1 billion plan, for the one who thought their voice was too small. This is your moment. Stand up tall.
Own your family, own your faith, own your fears, own your place, own your finance, own your fitness. After all these years,
Focus on the solution.
the problem is not the prize.
Quiet builders, bold believers.
It is time to rise. These are things they did not tell. The future belongs to you.
Family, faith, fierce, finance, fitness, rise.
Focus on the solution. Open up the skies. These are the things they did not tell you.
God's design is the blueprint.
Now we're building it true.
Introverts, builders, quiet ones with the fire.
Baby, go chapter.
We taking it higher. The quiet ones,
The builders,
the 1%ers,
billionaires in the making.
on a journey toward God's design.
These are the things they did not tell you.